Representatives from several tribal communities in Manipur have called on Chief Minister N. Biren Singh to take action against alleged identity suppression by major tribes. These groups are demanding that a complaint filed with the National Commission of Settled Tribes (NCST) be declared null and void due to forged signatures. During the meeting with the Chief Minister, tribal leaders expressed their strong condemnations of a complaint submitted to the NCST by the Paumin Lenhauke. They claimed that their signatures were forged, making them unwilling parties to the grievance without their consent. The tribal representatives urged Chief Minister N. Biren Singh to ensure the invalidations of the NCST complaint, emphasizing the unauthorized use of their signatures. They have also urged me to ensure that the complaint raised to NCST be rendered null and void, Chief Minister tweeted. Several civil society organizations were involved in bringing these issues to light, including the Kharam Union Manipur, Kharam Palel Village Authority, Federation of Haumi, Laikod Faizol Village Authority, Kabui Union Manipur, Kom Tribe Organization Valley, and Kangchuk Chiru Village Authority.